What's going on, everyone? It's Saturday morning. There's a bunch of garage sales happening today, so we're gonna go ahead and do that. Got the GoPro mounted. Let's go see what we can find. While we're in the car on the way, I'm just about to pull into the Timmy's here and get an iced coffee. The neighborhood I'm going to, I think it's kind of an older neighborhood because the high school in the area is an older high school here in town. It's been around for a long time. So I'm hoping there's like an older generation that lives there, and hopefully we find some Hot Wheels and die cast. Hopefully I can add anything to the collection. Just realized I say hopefully a lot. But yeah, my buddy's gonna meet me there. Walk around, I have the GoPro mounted as you guys can't see. And then yeah, get some GoPro footage. Hopefully get live reactions of me actually finding some things. I gotta get used to wearing this, but yeah, we'll see you guys in a second when I pull up to the neighborhood.
Ripped off the cord. Yeah. We're gonna wait for you, okay?
Okay. I'm sure anything's for sale. Offer him $20.
I don't know how to fix it.
Buy that Jaguar.
I always wanted one of these, and I never got one.
It's a Jaguar. How dare you? Toys. That's what I'm looking for. Not really what I'm looking for.
Oh, that's nice.
Good morning.
How are you? Good, how are you?
No, we might have a change if you want it instead.
That'd probably be better.
Yeah, no worries.
Baseball. What would she get?
Spencer would still lose.
What?
So you'd still lose that pinball baseball.
Morning.
Good morning. Does Ben have Hot Wheels in it? No. Hoping there'd be a bin of Hot Wheels. So I was hoping that'd be a bin of Hot Wheels or something. That makes sense.
Those are freaking so expensive.
It's just a holder.
Those are kind of cool.
Oh, I think this one has cars in it. It's not bad.
Do you like those?
I might make him an offer.
Those are kind of cool.
Yeah? $15 for that. 10 for that. 10 for that. That's 10. 10 and 15 for that. Okay, I'll think about it. They're $1 a piece, and they're all different. They're different. like Detroit, Red Wings, there's the Final Four. So my son used to save them, and now he doesn't want them anymore.
Said get rid of them.
So $1 a piece, and there's some race cars, ones, and there's Super Bowl ones, and see them all over the place. Apparently they get a good deal on those too. Yeah. He wanted the table too. Oh, did he? Yeah.
I got you, Michaela. Your best friend things.
NCAA Final Four. Alrighty, so we're obviously on our way back home. Did some recording through the GoPro. Honestly, there wasn't really much in terms of Hot Wheels or any die cast. I thought there was going to be, but clearly I was wrong. I did pick up 3 Hot Wheels cases, storage cases, the tire looking ones. So I'm gonna post those up, see what I can get for them, see what they're worth. Paid $10 for the 3, so that's a decent deal in my books. But let's go home, see if we go for the rest of the day. But if not, might go to a toy show tomorrow. We'll pick it up tomorrow. Have a good day.